Can you get adjusted while you're pregnant? The answer is yes. Chiropractic care is safe during all phases of pregnancy. No, unless there's some kind of underlying issue, all right? But during the different phases of pregnancy, chiropractic adjustments will change, most likely due to the development of the baby, your belly growing, things like that. Chiropractic treatment will help prepare the mother and the body for delivery and ensure that the mom is comfortable, she's pain-free, free of any kind of nervous system interference, so that mom has an optimally functioning nervous system. Many patients find that chiropractic treatment help alleviate the aches and pains that commonly associated with pregnancy.